Hey guys, Dave here, and we are a day away from removing the roof on this ranch home in Bergen County, New Jersey. This is an entire home remodeling project, 3 floors. The whole basement walkout is going to be remodeled, the first floor, and then we're adding a second floor. Let me show you what the house looks like now, and we're just, again, a day away from removing this roof. Okay, there's our banner hanging on the front. We have our no trespassing sign, and tomorrow this roof is going to be coming off. We have a 40-yard container over here, and we're going to be taking down the sheeting on the walls, the entire roof, all the ceiling beams, and also the interior walls. So if you see on the house here, walk around the side, you can see the sheetrock sheeting, which is no good. So we're going to be pulling off all that, all the windows, the doors, everything's coming down. So just the 4 exterior walls are going to remain, and everything from that point up and out is going to get changed, revamped. It's going to be a whole brand new home when we get done with this. Hey guys, Dave here, and we are on our way to a couple of job sites. Right now we have a crew over at a ranch home that we're just starting an add level project. They're removing the roof, so we're going to go over there right now. They're literally taking off the roof right now. They're instructed to remove the roof, the ceiling, all the interior walls, all the exterior sheeting, and any of the windows or doors that are on the first floor. So let's go over there, we'll take a look. Guys, so we just pulled up on site. It's about 3 hours in, and the crew has removed the roof. They're taking out the ceiling, and we're just a couple hours into this demo, and you can see how they're moving along. So by the end of the day, what we're hoping to do is have all the windows out, the roof obviously off, ceiling beams are almost out of there as of right now. Basically we want to strip off the walls, get all that old sheetrock and the sheeting off, and pull the windows out. So we're looking to get all this stripped down this way on Monday or Tuesday. When we come in here with the framing crew, we will be able to start framing this out. You can see from the front angle, we had the steps refaced, so we're working on that. We're going to protect that with plywood. But all these windows, the doors, everything's coming out of here. This is all the remnants from the roof, which will eventually make its way into this container here. All right, over here you can see from the left side of the house, more of that, it's like a sheetrock sheeting, and all that's going to be coming out. Guys are going to be knocking that out soon. Guys, you can see all the garbage here. This is all the stuff we knock out, and you know, it's going to be cleaned up by the end of the day. We kind of get as much demo as possible done. And then a couple hours before the end of the day, we just go through the whole surroundings, pick all this up, goes right into the container. Okay guys, we just got back to that ranch remodel that we just started this morning with the demolition. You're not going to believe this. Let me turn the camera around, take a look at this. So check this out. This is just the end of the day, and look at the whole house stripped down, roof off, interior walls gone, ceiling gone. Look at that container. We got a 40-yard container over here, and we filled that up. Let's go inside. Take a look at this. The whole house has been stripped down. We have all the exterior walls braced up, and we're gonna be ready to rebuild this in the next day or two. So today's Saturday, so we'll come back here Monday and get this going. We have a load of lumber being delivered, and the crew will be back here to start the framing process. Everything is in, the windows are in, the lumber will be on site, and just amazing. Just one day we stripped this whole thing down. All the exterior walls been stripped. We're going to be replacing them with new plywood, and it'll be more energy efficient, the whole house, when it's completely done. So this is going to be completely remodeled on the first floor. Basement's going to be remodeled, and then we're adding an entire second floor above this structure. Guys, we take care of everything from start to finish. Everything is organized. We handle the entire process from beginning to end. You receive a turnkey package. You literally move back into the house, and it's ready for your family to enjoy for years to come. So if you have any questions about your home remodeling project, just give us a call. Ask for me, Dave. We answer any questions. You can email us, you can call us, and our number is 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. All right, let's get ready for another day tomorrow. We got to lock the house up. Make sure the doorknob's locked. We don't want anybody to break in.